In this clip, we're going to look at how cherry stain on maple can give a very decent approximation of actual cherry. And believe me, staining maple is a lot cheaper than buying cherry. Let's take a look. This is cherry plywood that we looked at earlier. And here's a piece of maple that I've stained with a little bit of cherry stain. Now, obviously, you're not going to necessarily fool anybody that this is cherry. As you can see them side by side, there is definitely a difference. But cherry can be difficult to find and quite expensive. So if you have some maple, a little bit of cherry stain can give a pretty decent approximation of cherry. They do have a very similar grain structure, so if you do a decent job of staining, you might be able to convince a lot of people that you've made a piece out of cherry when in fact you've made it out of maple.